strong. Control, good. Let's go.
Stay strong on your hip, buddy. Very good. Yes. Very good, very good.
1 point loss.
Triangle coming,
Control
watch.
the guard, sweep,
Head up, Sharath, head up.
sweep, sweep.
Post it up, Sharath, yes. Yes.
Go others.
Don't go closer.
Sweep,
Post it
sweep.
up, post it up. Post it up, Sharath, head up.
Relax, relax, others.
Try to pass quickly. Good job, Sharath.
Oh, others too fast for falling.
Same position. Yes, good.
Guys, understand your reset positions quickly. Coaches, your responsibility. Let's go.
Sharath, pass immediately, go.
Let's go.
Pass immediately. Yes. Secure, secure. Don't let him do that. Get
Others,
up.
go, others, strong.
Get up.
Get out of the guard, strong. Posture,
Get on the hook.
knees. Knees close, posture, knees close to the hips. Control his wrist.
Don't let him pass, Sharath.
Others, posture, control his wrist. Open the guard. Go, cheer him a little bit.
Keep hand fighting. Don't let him pass, okay, Sharath? Reset position, watch, okay? This is how you reset. Don't let him pass, Sharath.
Same.
Reset. No, but out of bounds, right? Yeah.
Come on,
Go for armbar if
others.
you want.
Others.
Yes. Catch his leg, Sharath. Right leg. Yes. Turn him, turn him, turn him. Don't let him pass.
Okay, pin
Get
him,
up, get
pin
up.
him, pin him.
Sharath again, get up, get up.
Just cheer him, cheer him, cheer him.
Scramble up, Sharath. Scramble up.
Come on, others.
Yes, get up, get up.
Post up, pin him, pin him, pin him. Pin him, pin him.
Don't go
Pin
there,
him, pin him.
Sharath.
Finish, finish. Go, 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 go. Go.
Come on, take it out.
Yeah, yeah.
Wrap your leg around.
Go.
Wrap your leg.
Let's go.
That's okay.
Go, 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 go. Now, Debo. Okay, let's go,
Move
Taya.
faster, Naveen.
Relax.
Move faster.
Let's go, Taya.
Move faster. Move fast. Yeah, easy. Control.
Relax.
Easy. Keep fighting. Keep fighting. Easy, Uttaya.
You
Yeah,
got
don't let him do
this.
that.
You got this, Uttaya.
You can go for strong throws
Body
if you
slam.
want.
Body slam, knees. Body slam. Yeah, yes, yes. Control, pin, control. Control.
Sit
Slam,
through, sit
slam.
through.
Pressure.
through, Naveen.
Pressure.
Faster, yes. Take him down, yes. Maintain down,
Very
There you go. Yes. Guys,
Yeah.
very good, Naveen, very good. You got a point there, okay, very good.
Very nice.
Naveen, tire him
1
out, man,
point
tire him
for
out.
what?
Let's go.
Very good, Uttaya. You got 1 point. Very nice. 3 points. You got one.
Don't let him hold on to your head, bro. Yes, very good. Speed. You can use leg trips, bro. Naveen, come on.
Next, Uddha will go.
You'll get it. Yes. He's
Come
getting
on,
tired.
Uttaya,
Let's
he's
go,
pulling
Naveen,
you.
let's go. You can win this, man. Come on.
थोड़ा चिल्ला बाबू किशोर. Hey Pawan, in deadlift you shout, no?
Keep attacking,
Why you
Naveen.
not
No?
shouting now? Shout.
Keep attacking. Yes, very good. Yes.
Come on, Uttaya.
You can use leg clips.
No problem. Shout, shout, cheer, cheer
Time for
more,
a good
cheer
throw,
more.
Naveen. You can get a good throw
Cheer
now.
more, cheer more. Everybody from Octopit needs to open their
Yes,
muscle. Beat
very
your ass.
good. You can do a duck under if you want.
Nice one, easy.
Very good. Keep going.
You
Keep
don't
going.
play that well, man.
Those standing at the back, please feel free to fill up on the right side as well. You can bring chairs if you come back.
He doesn't play that well.
Let's go, Naveen.
Sorry.
He's breathing heavy. Come on, let's go.
Hey guys, shout, man. What are you, useless piece of shit?
Don't give it. Don't give it.
Yeah. Go for it. High rise, high rise. Nice. Control.
Go for legs. Naveen, go for legs.
Hey.
Go for legs.
Pin. Go for submission. Submission.
Don't let him put pressure on you. Turn towards him. Naveen, turn towards
Submission.
him.
Let's go. Finish. Close the elbow next to the head. Elbow next to the
turtle,
ear.
go turtle.
Elbow next to the ear. Finish. He's tired. Let's go. Finish. Wrist
Come on,
control. Put the wrist control. Elbow
Don't
near
give
the
it. Don't
head.
give it. Turn towards him.
Right angle. Put a right
Naveen.
angle.
Yes.
Let's go. Come on, Uttaya. Come on.
Don't give
Come
the
on,
round like that.
Uttaya.
Let's go.
Pin him.
Yes. Hook it.
Don't let him get out. Don't let him get out. Don't let him. You got
Your
this.
left
You
knee
almost
in.
there. Almost there. Right angle. Make a right angle. Go. Pressure. Push the wrist back. Let's go. You're almost there. He's tired.
Turn
He's
towards the
getting
left.
tired. Let's go. Back.
Weight difference is making a change, but that's okay. Oh, that's okay. Weight difference. Strategy, man.
Oh, Chirag.
Yes, same game.
Confidence, relax. Play with confidence. Oh, Chirag is
If you go in this space, you'll get
Chirag
tired.
is fearing. Oh, Chirag is afraid. Let's go.
Yes, make him time.
Make some noise. Confidence, Chirag, confidence.
Engagement also. Hiram, engage. But don't get caught, okay?
Yeah, Chirag, take his hair out. Confidence. I'm on microphone. No?
Yes, Hiram, same game.
Go,
Make
Chirag,
him tired
confidence.
Don't let him hold on to you,
Posture.
okay? He cannot keep up with this pace.
Nice. Relax your
More on.
body.
Move faster,
Yeah,
move
yeah,
faster.
yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's all you can do with the size difference.
Stalling. Chirag, finish. Go, make noise.
Get up.
Chirag, finish.
Don't let him pass, bro.
Finish. Americana. Take it. Push. Put the elbow near the neck. The other side. Push the wrist down. Push only the wrist.
Good game.
Pin him
Good game, Hiram.
down. Relax. Pin him down. Take your time. Push the wrist. Take your time. Pin him. Okay. Smash. Crush. Pin. Heavy
Don't
hips.
give back, okay?
Heavy hips.
Very good.
Let's go. Put the same
thing,
Americana
Hiram.
if you want. Arm triangle.
When you get a chance, escape.
No problem. Aram.
There is a space. Hiram.
Let's go. Easy.
Hip
Make
bump,
some noise.
hip
Make some
bump.
noise. Make some noise.
Hiram, hip bump.
Yes. Finish.
That's okay. Next you, buddy. Play a
Come on,
game, Pooja.
Sudha. Come on. Go. Go aggressive, aggressive. Pin down, pin down. Pin down, pin down. Take down, leg take down.
Turn, 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 turn.
Control, control. Choke, choke, choke. Choke, choke, choke. Choke. Take the back, take the back, take the back. Take the back. Put the hooks in. Choke her out.
Escape, Pooja, come on.
Choke her
Hand
out.
fight.
Take the back properly.
Hand fight, gatti
Take
weapon.
the back properly.
There's
Shuddha,
no
turn in.
submission there,
Take the
okay.
back. Turn in properly.
There is no submission there.
Turn in properly, Shuddha. Climb over her. Climb over her. Turn in properly.
Get up, get up, get up, get up. Yes, very good. Stand up, stand up. Stay on
Oh!
top, Pooja, stay on top.
Go, 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 go,
Leg,
go,
leg,
go.
leg, leg, leg.
Pass the
Stay on
guard.
top.
Go.
Do a
Let's go, Shuddha. Pin, 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 pin. Relax.
Pooja, don't give.
Go for a
Pooja, Pooja,
simple
Pooja.
submission. Relax. Pin her down. Pin her down.
Go other side, go other side. Yes.
If you want, take mount. Pin her.
Yes,
Climb
yes,
over.
go for it,
Climb
go for
over. She's giving you back. Climb over. Relax.
That's okay. Release
Knees
the
down,
arm.
knees
release the
down,
arm,
knees
Pooja.
down.
Release the arm. Yes. Bridge on the right
go,
side.
make
Bridge
some
on the
noise.
right side. Bridge on the right.
Let's
immediately.
go, let's go.
Immediately, yes, there we go.
Oh!
Very good, Pooja, very good.
Out, out.
Okay, very good, Pooja. Good game. Pooja, same.
Shuddha, she's giving back.
you want
Take the
submission?
back. Climb over. Put the hooks flat in the body. Calm down, Shuddha. Let's go.
You did
Relax.
good, Pooja. Okay, let's go. Stay on
Let's
top,
go.
Pooja. Everyone stay on top.
Let's go. Sweep, sweep.
Pass whenever you get a
Put
chance.
forward pressure. Sweeper.
Pass, pass. There you go.
Don't let her
There
pass
you
the
go.
guard.
Stay
Don't let her
out,
pass the
Pooja.
guard.
Don't
Turn
go
in,
into
take
guard
back.
again.
Make some noise. Make some noise. Come on, Shuddha. Come on, Shuddha.
Stay on top.
Ah!
What did I
Pressure,
say,
pressure.
Pooja?
Americana, Americana. Put the Americana. Finish, finish it.
Overhook.
Put the elbow near the head. Finish this, finish
Hip
this.
up,
Put
hip
the
up,
elbow
hip
near
up,
the
hip up.
head. Finish the
There you go. Faster.
Oh,
Faster. There you go. Yes, stay on top. Stay on top. Hey.
Concentrate. Take posture again.
Come on top, Pooja.
Please,
Stay on top.
Go for it, go for it, go for it,
Hip
go
up,
for it.
hip up.
Go for it, go for it, go for it, go for
Go,
it.
get up.
Go for it, go
Get
for
up,
it, go
Pooja.
for it.
Get up. There you go. There you go. Nice.
Let's go, Shuddha. Go for it. Go what comes. Go comes
Pooja,
what
don't
natural.
give your
Go, go,
position.
go.
Don't give position now.
Pooja, Ambar.
Go,
Watch,
go.
watch.
Sweep, sweep.
Yes.
Sweep.
Stand up.
Sweep.
Yes.
Turn in, sweep, sweep.
Hey,
Posture.
Pooja.
Go, climb over, climb over.
Pooja.
Climb
Stay on
over.
top.
It's okay.
Yes,
Go for it.
quarter guard
Go
is
for
good.
what comes
Try
natural.
to
Let's
come to
go.
half guard.
Go for it. You train for it. Relax. Relax. Yes, yes. Yes. Finish her. Finish her. Take your legs out. Finish. Finish.
You can do it.
Put
You
the
can
leg
do a
out.
bridge
Get
now.
the leg out. Come right. Right leg.
Up, up,
Right.
hands up. Pooja, elbow. Pooja, elbow out.
Climb over. Climb over. It's
Pooja,
stuck, it's stuck.
elbow out.
Take posture.
Right
Take
elbow out.
posture.
Right elbow out.
Your right leg is stuck. Relax, relax. Keep her in
Pooja,
that posture.
right
Your
elbow
right leg.
push towards her
Your right
head.
leg is stuck. Relax. Keep her in that posture. Try to take your leg out. Take your leg out to finish the
Don't leave the
finish
quarter
arm
guard, though.
triangle. You need to take the right leg out. You need to take the right leg out to finish the arm triangle. Relax.
Don't leave the quarter guard
Relax.
though.
Keep her in the grip. She'll get tired. She'll start losing. Take the right leg out slowly. Or finish from mount. Your right leg is
Be
stuck,
active.
Shuddha.
Okay, good.
Your right leg is stuck, Shuddha. We have to take it out. Let's go. No problem.
Good job. Pooja, Pooja. Pooja, maintain top position. Okay.
Shuddha, you got this. Got this. Pay attention. You got this. Aggressive. Make some noise like. आजा थोड़ा आवाज कर. Easy.
Pooja, right elbow
You're
out.
stuck
Yes.
in-
More. No, bend and push. Bend and push.
You're stuck in half guard, Shuddha. Take your leg out.
Don't
Knee
leave
out.
the leg
Yes, yes,
also.
good, good. Keep balance, keep your posture.
Turn
Take your
towards
leg
your
out,
right
Shuddha, if
immediately
you
and
want to
then push
finish.
the elbow. Turn more. Don't leave that.
Take mount or take
Then-
side. Good. Yes.
Push.
Use the other leg. Yes. Aram se. Yeah.
Yes.
Control. Finish.
Don't leave the leg.
Finish. Squeeze.
Puja, come on.
Squeeze. Power.
Almost there, Pooja. Almost. Let's go. Turn.
Squeeze. It's called. Good attempt. Almost there. Good attempt. Best attempt.
Pooja, you have 30 seconds.
Take a deep breath. Relax.
She need to maintain.
Good
top
attempt,
position.
Sudha. Very
That's the
good.
thing. She get top and then she falls. അത് നല്ലതാണ്.
Go finish, Sudha.
Okay, Pooja.
Sudha, finish. No time. Let's go.
Don't
Smash.
give the back. Your arm is
Take the
getting
neck.
twisted.
Take the neck. Control.
Yes,
Take the
pass.
back.
Move
Don't let
forward.
her take
Clear the
position.
leg.
Get your neck
Clear the
out.
leg. Move forward.
Get
Don't
your
give
neck
the back.
out. Keep your
Yes,
hooks in. Keep your hooks in.
Pooja.
Go
Submit.
into your knees. Yes.
Submit.
No. Go into your
Submit,
knees. Turn in.
Strong squeeze.
Turn in.
Strong squeeze.
Yeah!
It's a good fight.
Some
Okay,
noise,
sir,
make
come
some
on.
noise. Adas, back with Annaga. Go, Lankesh. Let's go, Lankesh.
Snap down. Be careful.
Come on, make some noise. Yeah, guillotine. Yes, control. Squeeze. Turn and squeeze. Don't let him pass the guard. Try to sweep him. He's trying to pass the guard, Lankesh. Try to focus on that. First. He's
Get
trying
your
to
left
pass the
hand to
guard
his
also,
face,
Lankesh.
Sharath.
Keep it tight. He will try to pass the guard. He'll lose points. Control, sweep.
Yes. Don't get in those positions. Sharath.
Nice one, Lankesh. Let's go.
Sharath, clear a neck first. Don't stay there. Don't stay there, Sharath. Fight your arms. Your left hand.
Good.
Left arm clear. Left arm clear. Yes, clear. There we go.
Try to sweep Lankesh. There's
Pass, Sharath,
relax. He's
pass.
tired.
Pass.
You can't submit him like that, Lankesh. Sweep. Try to sweep him.
Cross face,
Don't let him.
left
Good,
hand cross face.
Lankesh. Relax. Good.
Don't let him sweep you, okay? Stay on top and pass.
You got this. Try to sweep him. Break his posture.
Yes.
Try to sweep him. Try to break his posture or
Wait,
attack from
yes.
guard. Whatever comes naturally for you.
You're gonna
do.
pass.
Control
Sharath.
it. Don't let him pass the guard, Lankesh. Relax. Sweep him.
Cross face.
Take a good position.
You remember what we did? Yes, pass.
Don't let him pass the guard.
Move other way around.
Triangle. Please. Control the neck.
Get your head down.
You got this. Put the load hold. Switch.
Take the back,
Turn.
take the back.
Get
Take the back.
out.
Take the back. Yes, very good. Get the hook in.
Yeah,
Go for it.
oh.
Harder.
Lankesh, relax.
Don't
He's
fall
not-
down.
He's
Don't
not got
fall down.
anything. Get out of the turtle.
Don't fall down. What did I say, buddy? You get the back, then why would you fall down, buddy?
Lankesh, let's go.
Why would you fall down?
Lankesh, finish fast. You're wasting time. Let's go.
Very good, Sharath.
Maximum voice. Go. Go, Lankesh. He's tired. He's getting tired. He's gassed out. Lankesh is gassed out. Let's go. Lankesh, finish, please. He's gassed out. Go, shout, shout.
Come on, Lankesh.
Don't attack from guard, Lankesh.
Yes.
Get out. Pass the guard. Position control, good. Maintain the control on him, relax. Pin him down. Yes, good. Yeah, this is
Right
your
leg
favorite
hook in,
position.
right leg hook in.
Finish the arm lock. Go. Took some time.